Welcome home to Vista on Courthouse Apartments. Today we're going to be showing our one bedroom with a balcony, and it's called the A3 floor plan. As you enter into the apartment, you actually come into a nice open kitchen with recently renovated hard surface flooring and new stainless steel appliances installed. Plenty of storage with the island. And plenty of nice cabinetry to go all the way around this kitchen. Also includes a handy pantry and very tall cabinets. Looking from the kitchen into the living area, we have a nice spacious living area that opens out to a beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows that includes an overlook of our pool and our courtyard. Includes a front closet and an entryway into the bathroom as well. So we move around to the front of the apartment and look out onto the balcony, and a nice spacious balcony. And again, another view of our hard surface flooring. And then looking from the front of the apartment to the back towards the kitchen, plenty of light. Continuing our tour, we enter into the front bedroom. This is 11.5 by 11. Nice 9.5-foot ceilings. And again, we've continued the hard surface flooring throughout the entire apartment. Have a nice stackable washing machine and dryer. So we're in the closet here. And then a nice, large, spacious walk-in closet. Continue around, we come into a second doorway into the kitchen, the bathroom. Nice, large vanity and mirror. With a nice setup for a shower and tub and soak-in tub. And again, we turn right back to the kitchen.